Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy Valentine's Day felt garland decor item. As always, supplies are listed in the video description. First you will need a long length of thread. Mine is about 11 feet long. Thread the needle with your thread, then using the hearts and the balls, lay out a pattern that you would like, which will help you stay on track while you're stringing them onto the thread. Push the needle through your felt balls, then using pliers, pull the needle the rest of the way out of the ball. Continue this until all the felt pieces are strung. I kept about 1.5 inches between the balls on my thread. Once you're finished stringing the felt to your thread, tie the ends by making a loop so you can hang your garland. I decided to display my garland on my fireplace mantle, and I used command hooks to hang it. If you watched till the end of this video, give me a heart emoji in the comments below. If you've not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss out on any upcoming DIYs. See you next time!